In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in WPS Office. If you are working on a document in WPS Office and you want to adjust how large or small the content appears on your screen, this tutorial will walk you through the available zoom options in a clear and simple way. Knowing how to control zoom levels can make reading, editing, and formatting documents much more comfortable, especially when working for long periods. To begin, open any document in WPS Office so you can see the interface clearly. Once the document is open, move your attention to the bottom right corner of the window. Here, you will see the current zoom percentage displayed. This number shows how large the document is currently being viewed on your screen. Right next to the zoom percentage, you will notice a slider. This slider allows you to quickly zoom in or zoom out. Click and hold the small dot on the slider, then drag it to the right to zoom in or to the left to zoom out. As you move the slider, you will see the document resize in real time, letting you adjust the view based on your preference. If you click on the drop-down next to the zoom percentage, additional zoom options will appear. These preset levels include common zoom values such as 200%, 150%, and 125%. Selecting any of these options instantly changes the zoom to that exact level, which is useful if you want a consistent and precise view. In the same dropdown, you will also find viewing options like page width and text width. Choosing page width adjusts the zoom so the entire page fits perfectly within the window. Selecting text width resizes the view so the text fills the screen width, making it easier to read without unnecessary margins. These options are especially helpful when reviewing documents or focusing on written content. If you prefer full control, the zoom slider at the bottom right remains the best tool. You can fine-tune the zoom level exactly to your liking by clicking and holding the slider dot and moving it slowly until the view feels comfortable. Additionally, you can explore more viewing options by clicking the View tab at the top of the window. From there, you can choose to display one page at a time or view multiple pages simultaneously. This can be useful when comparing pages or reviewing document layout. That covers the different ways to zoom in and adjust the view in WPS Office. With these tools, you can easily customize how your document appears on screen to match your working style. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.